Hey there, welcome back to Kids Gardening with Liz. I'm here at the Arroyo High School Farm Lab, and today I want to talk to you about how to make ponche navideño. So ponche is a traditional Mexican Christmas drink. It's usually served hot, and it's made from a mix of fruits, sugar cane, cinnamon, and any other herbs and spices you want to add to it. So today I want to show you how to harvest raw sugarcane. So I've got sugarcane growing here. It's been here for about 5 years now. Sugarcane is in the bamboo family, so it grows very similar to bamboo and grass. So today I'm going to show you how to harvest your sugarcane. So you know your sugarcane is ready when it's pretty tall. You'd want the stalk to be 5 to 6 feet tall. And you're going to need something quite sharp to harvest it. Most people use a machete, but since we're extra safe here, we're going to use loppers. So I'm going to go in all the way to the base, and I want to cut my sugarcane as low down as I can. That way it will easily re-sprout a new stalk in the next season. I'm going to pull the cane all the way out. I suggest wearing long sleeves and gloves when you do this because the leaves can be a little sharp. So the first thing you're going to do is pull all the leaves off and expose the cane. You'll notice that the leaves sprout from the node, which is these junctures right here. That's also true for anything in the grass or bamboo family. All right, and we're going to chop the top off because this top part you can't really eat. It's too fibrous and leafy. So we're gonna chop off the top here. There we go. Okay, so now this is the stalk of cane I'm actually going to use. So I'm gonna cut it down into smaller pieces for cooking, and I will show you here what part you want to use to cook. Okay, so as you can see, it's the inside here that you want to eat, and then the outside skin you want to cut off. You definitely want to slice that off. Just be very careful when you're using a very sharp knife for this. It is a bit tough to cut, so just be very careful and use your kitchen safety. So once you slice the skin off, the cane on the inside is what you're going to use for the base of your ponche, and you can also chew on it a little bit and spit it out to give it a taste. Sugarcane is high in electrolytes, and before it's had any chemical processes done to it to turn it into like white refined sugar, it actually is quite healthy. It has a lot of vitamins and electrolytes in it. You just want to make sure you brush your teeth after you use it because it definitely will rot your teeth out. It is, after all, sugar. So that is all for our ponche video. If you have more questions about the history of ponche and how to make your own recipe, you can reach out to us through our website, ecourbangardens.org, and have a happy holidays. Bye.